Hello, my name is Fred Pincus, and in cooperation with CMI VFX, I am happy to bring you a series of videos to help show off the power of the software from Imagineer Systems. As a visual effects supervisor, I am constantly impressed with the results we can get with these tools. Difficult tracks or rotos or paint fixes that could take several days or longer to complete can almost always be completed in a fraction of that time, keeping shots on budget. They allow you to spend the time on the more important aspects of the shots. To start, I want to give you a simple overview of the different applications and what each one is primarily used for in a production environment. Imagineer Systems' suite of software currently consists of Motor, Mocha, Mocha AE, Monet, and finally Moki. All are designed to help with specific high-end compositing tasks, and each application takes advantage of what I feel is the strongest tracker in the market, Imagineer Systems' Planar Tracker. Let's begin with Motor. Motor is called a rotostation. It is a dedicated roto tool that uses the latest fully multi-threaded planar tracker to help create perfect rotos in a fraction of the time. By using Motor's tracker to follow all the motions of the object you are rotoing, the only keyframes you have to worry about are animating the roto splines to account for any shape change in the object that you are rotoing. The tracker takes care of all the motion from frame to frame. This results in a perfect track with very few keyframes on your roto shape, which makes it much easier to edit and maintain the quality of the roto throughout the length of the shot. One way I like to look at it is that Motor does all the hard work for you when it comes to rotoscoping. By tracking the object first in Motor, the tracker can take the translation, rotation, scale of your object you are planning on rotoing, which means the only thing that needs to be keyframed is the general shape changes over the course of the shot. Often you can get the roto you need with 2 or 3 keyframes on your roto spline, and the tracker takes care of the rest. Integration into your facility is seamless, as Motor can recognize all industry standard image formats from Cineon, DPX, TIFF, Targa, even QuickTimes. So to reiterate, Motor is your answer to all things roto. The next and newest app from Imagineer Systems is Mocha. As a supervisor that is constantly trying to find faster and better ways to achieve higher quality results, Mocha is the app that I'm most impressed with. Mocha is a tracking station that also does roto. Mocha is considered the big brother to Motor, and you'll see why. It is a standalone application that brings Imagineer Systems' multi-threaded planar tracker within reach of everyone. It gives you the ability to generate some of the most solid tracks I have seen, including handheld shots, out-of-focus shots, quicker sometimes than I thought possible. You might find yourself laughing, as I have, at how easy something you are dreading to track has become. After Mocha has isolated the translation, rotation, scale, shear, and perspective of the item you are tracking, it then is designed to export that data directly into all of the most well-known applications available, such as Inferno, Flame, Flint, Smoke, Combustion, Fusion, After Effects, Avid DS. This way, higher quality tracking information can be handed off to anyone working on any one of those systems with confidence that the track is the very best that can be generated. Mocha really does allow tracking to be completed faster and with higher accuracy than point trackers. Once you have Mocha in your pocket, you will start to see compositors from all other apps coming to you and saying, "I've been trying to track this shot all day. Can you take a stab at it with Mocha?" And you'll have it done in no time. Mocha is considered the big brother of Motor. It can rotoscope like Motor does, but can also export its tracking data to all the other compositing systems out there. And let's not forget that it can also export shape masks directly to Flame, Flint, Inferno, Shake, and Combustion. Mocha is the app I am most excited about. I no longer have time to spend struggling with a track. I need the track as soon as possible. I do not want to wait for a track that is not perfect either, and hand tracking is something I hope to never do again. With Mocha, tracking is practically an automated task. You load your footage in, select a few areas to track, and in my experience, your first attempt is usually the one that you will export and use in your shot. It's that good. Next is Mocha AE. Mocha AE has all the power of Mocha, but is a specialized version designed to slip right into an After Effects pipeline. Mocha AE does not do roto, however, but it is an inexpensive, multi-threaded, planar tracking solution that can quickly and easily export its tracks directly into After Effects. Next in the chain of applications is Monet. Monet is called the placement station. or it is also referred to as an insert station. Monet is an application designed to do tracking, stabilization, rotoscoping, and compositing. And because it harnesses the power of the planar tracker, Monet can save you a lot of time compared to traditional methods. Monet can be thought of as an offline compositing package, which means it can take tracking data and apply inserts based on that tracking data for things such as screen inserts, poster or billboard replacements, or things like that. Monet can export its tracks to other compositing apps, analyze lens distortion. It has an image warper and basic rotoscoping capabilities. Then there is Moki. Doing wire removals or rig removals or fixing film scratches or doing paint fixes or fighting against lens distortion can be time-consuming and seriously unrewarding work, so Moki takes the strain out of it and makes it easier and faster to complete. Moki is called the removal station, and it was the first application developed by Imagineer Systems over 7 years ago. I think it's one of the most impressive pieces of software available. It can be used to remove any undesirable object or artifact from your shot, to remove objects or signage from moving shots, or you can use it to repair damaged film. Moki can also be used to easily analyze lens distortion, so you can either match that distortion with your 3D elements or remove the distortion entirely. Moki also includes the motion stabilizer found in Monet that can be used to stabilize translation, rotation, zoom, perspective, shearing, and warping, and use that information to help remove the undesirable object from the frame while keeping the underlying camera move in the shot. And like all the applications from Imagineer Systems, integration is simple. Moki can be used to complete the shot entirely, or it can export tracking data and assist other compositing systems like the other apps. I personally think of Moki as the clean plate creation tool. It gives you all the tracking, comping, and masking tools that you need to fix almost any shot. Moki is wire removal, rig removal, artifact removal, scratches or hairs, and so on.